to make this new temple a reality. Our temple is completed. Many of you must have seen it, and many of you might want to go and see it. The grand opening or Pran Pratishtha Kumbha Abhishekam is coming weekend, 15th, 16th and 17th. The God is going to be born in our temple on the same day as Shri Krishna's birthday, the Janmashtami on Sunday. So I would like to invite each and everybody of you, and I would like to ask all of you to spread the word in Brevard, around Brevard, everywhere, and call as many people as you would like to join us in the festivities. I am still waiting for Rakesh Chavadia. Is he at the back? Okay. Let me see. So the Mana Mandir, it's in Suntree. The address is 7400 Wilty Drive, Melbourne, Florida 32940. The temple has two gopurams. One is northern style and one is southern style. It's probably one of the biggest and most beautiful temple, at least in Florida. So you should be very, very, very proud of yourself to be part of it. And the auspicious ceremonies, there are people sitting at the very back on the Mana Mandir table, and they are taking any kind of sponsorship you would like to do for any of the participation in any activities, religious activities on the days of Kumbha Abhishekam and Pran Pratishtha. Let me explain some of the things in Pran Pratishtha. First of all, we are open on our website, which is mmbrevard.org. If you go on that, and if you'd like to put your credit card information to sponsor any of the activities, you may do so, or you can do it right now at the back, where Ramesh Patel, Smita Patel and some other Sanjay Shah and many people are sitting at the back. Or you can come to the temple between 3 to 8 from tomorrow onward and do it over there. Not only that, we need a lot of people to come out each and every day from starting tomorrow to help out in putting the temple in the right place. Means it has so much work to be done, so much cleaning to be done before the big days. So please do come out to help out. About the different items or religious activities you can sponsor. The Navratan Dan. The Navratan are the 9 precious stones which are placed under God and goddesses' statues to bring the good luck. And we have the sponsorship for $101 for that. You can do that. You can put your family's name, your name inside the packet and put it over there, and it will remain there forever. Then we have Kalash Yatra. Kalash Yatra can be sponsored by either $1,001 for a silver Kalash or $101 for brass Kalash. And these will be, after the ceremony, will be yours for keepsake. That can be done twice. It will be on Friday and Saturday, both day at 4 o'clock. Gayatri Havna. Gayatri Havna is a Havna where 60 Havan Kund will be doing